Hey everybody, I'm Jamil, Mr. Cabinet Care, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix an uneven cabinet door. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Guys, so it's a little bit hard to tell on camera, but it is the case that the knob side of this cabinet door is hanging lower than the side that has the hinge on it. So we're going to be able to fix this in 3 very simple steps. Step 1, open up the cabinet door. Step number 2, you're going to locate the screw that is in front of the square hole on your hinge. So that'd be this one right here. Step number 3, you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and you're just going to turn this screw either clockwise or counterclockwise to the point where you can find the desired destination for the hinge to come out to, so that then when you go ahead and close the hinge, everything is nice and level. See, now we're looking much better. This looks a lot more even to me. And a very simple process. All it is 3 steps. Open up the cabinet door. Locate that screw that's in front of the square hole. You're going to turn that to the desired destination. Close this up. Verify that you now in fact do have a straight line down here. And if you do, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys have any other questions, please let us know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.